I don't know if this was a good idea or not.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe.
Happy Wednesday, everybody! Today we're making
Cupcakes in a cone.
I saw this little thing on tasty.com and I was like, this would be so fun to make. And Sienna's been wanting to bake recently, so I was like, this will be fun, and it's super cute. And it looked pretty easy. The first step is you have to prepare the brownie mix and the cake mix. These are all the ingredients that you need. I will also put the ingredients in the description box below.
I've never been on YouTube before.
Well, there's a first for everything. We're gonna prepare the vanilla cake first. And she couldn't find strawberry cake mix, so we're just gonna add food coloring to make it look Neapolitan.
So we're making 36 of these?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
And pour the whole bag in. And you're gonna need, we're making 36 of these, so you're gonna need 3 whole bags of these. This is
2 bags.
Extremely delicious.
And we're gonna need 6 eggs.
What are you doing? Comment down below. Now get back.
Do you know how to crack an egg?
Yeah.
You do?
It's very easy.
Okay.
But you crack it on the side, then just,
Yeah.
yeah.
There we go. We're gonna put it.
Got it.
2/3 cup of oil.
Are you literally filling that whole thing?
We have to do it twice. Okay, pour it in.
Now, if I ate all of that, like just plain oil, I would throw up.
Yeah, you would. That's correct.
Sorry about the meltdown.
2/3 a cup of water. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. A little
Can
bit
you put some
more.
in my mouth, actually?
No! Are you crazy?
Just need help with the vanilla.
Oh,
So yeah. I want to smell it.
I know, that smells so good.
I just want to eat it.
Yeah, let's just try a little. Okay. I know, I told you. We're done with those. Okay, so the vanilla cake mix is done.
Hey people, what do you do when you bake? Comment down below again. And make sure to like this video. And subscribe.
We're just gonna put the vanilla cake mix to the side so we can make the brownies. I'm so excited, I love brownies.
I love them too.
You only need 1 bag of brownie mix though. 2 eggs.
This is what it should look like when you're done mixing it.
Yeah.
Wow. You should really try this. It's really good, guys. And it's my first time being on YouTube.
Now that we have our vanilla cake mix done and then our brownie mix, I just split the cake mix into 2 different containers because we're gonna add food coloring to it. We're gonna add
Some red food coloring. You want to take a closer look?
You have to put your hand behind it like this. Hold it and put your hand behind it like that. Yeah.
And just in case, get a knife to take all the mix out, the brownie mix. Because the brownie mix is really hard to get out. What is it called again?
Out of the whisk?
Oh, the whisk. And before you put this in the oven, take a few tastes. It's really good. Always remember to put 2 drops in or 3.
If you want a deeper color, then you'll
Yeah.
put more, but we just want like a pink, so we're just gonna put 2 drops.
1, 2. Sometimes you might need more than 2 because it's not really turning red. We need more.
Yeah.
It's good.
Okay, that's good.
Sometimes you can put a lot in. Sometimes you can put the whole thing in. We're using the whole thing. We're literally using the whole thing. We already used half of it. Starting to look a little browny, reddish color.
Let's just make our own color, okay?
Yeah, it doesn't have to be the color on there. Who cares if it's not the color?
Okay, that's enough.
Make sure it's a different color or it's gonna look a little odd. Because ours is not looking very good.
It's because the color of the cake mix was weird. Well, this is what we got because it wouldn't turn pink.
It's like a brown, you know.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's still gonna look good, right?
We have to change it.
Lots of red.
We're both wearing red. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, let's
We're a butterfly together.
For a thumbnail. Look, it's changing.
Yeah, baby.
Finally.
Yes, it's turning red.
What does blue and red make?
Purple?
Really?
Yeah.
Should we add more blue?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna take these and we're gonna put cones. You're gonna get a cupcake tin and just put a single cone in each.
This is gonna be great.
Our oven has been preheated to 350 degrees.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's very high. 1 tablespoon of brownie mix at the bottom. You don't
Sorry,
want
I go now. I can hold it.
And you're gonna individually scoop every one. It falls in like that.
Back, guys.
Wow, did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait, do I need to
what?
wash my hands?
Yeah, you just use the bathroom.
Maybe we could do marshmallow fluff too. One day. Just not today. It's not a good day today. This is gonna look delicious, like literally. So we're baking cones in an oven. If you're not looking at this, you're not following any directions. Just do any pattern you want with these and you'll be okie dokie okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know. Once I wanted it to be perfect and it didn't turn out perfect, it just turned it out. It turned out like a blog.
We're gonna put it in the oven
These are gonna be
for
delicious.
20 minutes.
We're gonna wait for 20 minutes and 20 minutes later, we are going to tell you if it's ready or not.
The cupcakes will be done in like 20 minutes, but in the meantime, we're gonna make our own whipped cream so that we can decorate them when they're out. We're about to make some frosting. We need 1.5 cups butter. We're just gonna use this little mixer.
Want one?
Once the butter is to this like consistency where it's creamy, you're gonna slowly add powdered sugar. And you're gonna use 4 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. I don't know if this was a good idea or not. 3 tablespoons of milk to get it a little bit smoother. Ooh. Okay, that's good.
Vanilla to it.
We did. My hand is hurting.
Want me to do the mixing? Yeah.
Okay, so we just took them out of the oven and we're gonna decorate 2 of them with you guys. Sprinkles, and we made our frosting. It took quite some time.
It was butter.
Yeah,
There's
butter, powdered
So
sugar.
much butter in it. Just imagine Butterland, and that's how much we put in.
We put it in a gallon bag so we can pipe it on.
Yeah.
And we're gonna cut a little corner.
Now?
You're gonna pipe it onto.
And then it's my turn to do it after she does. And you will decide whose looks better.
What? We're having a competition?
Yeah. Hadn't you said that at the beginning? Oh, yours is definitely gonna look better than mine. I can't even do with that.
Put some sprinkles on the top. Look how cute! We are baking, and this isn't ice cream. It's frosting, and there's cake inside. Look. I'm so good at this thing.
Oh, so that's how you do it.
Want me to teach you?
Yeah.
Keep it at the top, and you're gonna go in a circle.
See? Oh.
Good. Pretty good. Here, let me
I'm
fix
trying
it.
to get this. This one can use a little bit more. This is gonna be fantastic.
We're gonna cut this one in half
Yep.
to see what it looks like on the inside.
Let's see. I just can't wait. Is this exciting, guys? Comment down below. I'm sorry I keep saying that, but I'm so curious.
Oh
My gosh.
This is so cool. We split it in half, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Usually it's different colors, but the cake mix we had, it would not allow us to make different colors. Ready?
Yep.
Take a bite.
Mm. Mm.
Oh. I like it.
I didn't turn out so good, but guess what? At the end,
Wow, look. the whole crew's here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. Ding!
Mwah.